Future continuous tense for ongoing future actions. Hello, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Grammar with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to learn about the future continuous tense, especially how it is used for ongoing actions in the future. If you've ever wondered how to talk about something that will be happening at a specific time in the future, then this lesson is just for you.
Thank you, Annie. Yes, in this video, we'll understand how to form the future continuous tense, when to use it, and we'll also look at many useful examples. So, stay with us till the end to clear your concept completely and speak English more confidently.
Let's begin with a basic explanation. The future continuous tense is used to describe an action that will be happening at a particular moment in the future. It focuses on the duration or continuity of the action, not its completion.
Exactly. The structure of the future continuous tense is quite simple. Subject plus will be plus present participle. Verb sing. Examples. I will be working at 9 p.m. tonight. She will be studying for her test tomorrow afternoon. They will be traveling to Lahore this time next week.
That's right. So when you say, I will be working at 9 p.m., you're not saying when you will start or finish your work. You are only focusing on the fact that the action will be in progress at 9 p.m.
Yes. And that's a very important point. The future continuous tense is not about the beginning or end of an action. It's about an action that will be happening in the middle of a future time. For example, at this time tomorrow I will be flying to Karachi.
Let's now break the structure into 3 parts for easier understanding. Subject. The person doing the action. Will be. Showing the future and continuity. Verb plus ing. Showing the ongoing nature of the action. Now, let's look at some more examples to practice. We will be having dinner at 8 p.m. He will be waiting for you when you arrive. I will be using my laptop all evening.
Very nice examples, Annie. Now let me share how we use this tense for polite or formal questions about future plans. For example, will you be attending the meeting tomorrow? Will she be joining us for lunch? This is more polite than simply asking, will you attend the meeting?
Yes, and we often use time expressions with this tense to give more clarity. Some of the most common time expressions are at this time tomorrow, at 9 o'clock, this evening, next week, all day. These expressions help to make it clear when the action will be happening in the future.
Let's also talk about negative sentences in future continuous. To make a negative sentence, we simply add not after will. Structure. Subject plus will not be plus verbing. Examples. I will not be working on Sunday. She will not be watching TV tonight. They will not be coming to the party.
That's right, Altaf. And now let's practice some interrogative or question forms. We place will at the beginning of the sentence. Structure. Will plus subject plus be plus verbing. Examples. Will you be sleeping at 11 p.m.? Will they be playing football tomorrow evening? Will he be staying at your house next weekend?
Annie, I also want to highlight one more thing. The future continuous tense is often used to set the scene in storytelling. For example, while I'm driving to work, I'll be listening to my favorite podcast. It gives your listener a clear image of what will be happening at the same time.
Very good point. It's a great tense to describe parallel actions in the future. Like, at 10 a.m., I'll be giving a presentation and my manager will be observing my work. Both actions are happening at the same time in the future.
conversation to show how the future continuous tense can be used in daily speaking. A. What will you be doing this weekend? B. I'll be visiting my cousins in Multan. How about you? A. I'll be preparing for my English test.
Wonderful. So, as you can see, this tense is very useful when we talk about future plans that will be in progress. It helps make your language sound natural and fluent.
Yes, Annie. And remember, future continuous is not used for predictions or fixed future plans, but more for ongoing actions that will happen over a period of time in the future.
Let's now do a quick recap of what we've learned today. The future continuous tense is used for actions that will be ongoing at a specific time in the future. The structure is subject PRO will be PO verbing. It is used for polite questions, background actions, future scenes, and parallel actions. We can make positive, negative, and interrogative forms easily using this structure.
Exactly. And by using this tense in your conversations, you will sound more confident and fluent. So, keep practicing and try to use it in your daily English.
That's all for today's video on the future continuous tense for ongoing future actions. We hope this explanation helped you understand the concept clearly.
If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Grammar with Altaf. See you in the next lesson. Until then.
Keep learning and keep improving your English.